13mm bolt. Pops out. Keep note of this little edge. Has to be facing. Next, you'll remove these pins right here. It's 2014 e63 AMG S all-wheel drive bi-turbo. Always remove the top pin first, then the bottom. Otherwise the spring will go flying. And just repeat this process when reinstalling. Just make sure you push the calipers right here, the pistons inside. Put a screwdriver, push your stock pad against it on both sides to retract it. Slide the new ones in. Line up these holes with this pad over here on both sides, and you're all set.